Well, the Alabama Department of Public Health is looking to expand its fight against teen nicotine initiation and exposure to areas of the Wiregrass. Area nonprofits and government agencies can apply for a grant that would be used for policy development, advocacy, and community education against drugs. The target audience for this initiative is elementary, middle, and high school age students who are a little more susceptible to peer pressure. ADPH is hoping this collaborative effort will affect change.
Most tobacco users start before the age of 18. And so by shifting those perceptions and behaviors related to tobacco use, we can kind of, work towards preventing initiation, reducing exposure to harmful substances.
Organizations must submit proposals by September 5th. You can find the application in this story on our website at WTVY.com.